What's good YouTube, Instructify here. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make a barrier invisible in Fortnite Creative Islands. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is press escape, right? And then go to island settings. In island settings, and here go to content. After you went to content, right, you want to go to devices. In devices, you want to search for barrier, right? And then you want to select and put it in your inventory, and then you're gonna go back, right? And you have to select your phone, right? Press select the barrier, then place it anywhere you like. Let's say I want to press it here, right? After I placed it, right, I want to press on E, like, to customize it, right? It's gonna say translucent, right? You can choose any of the things here, right? But as for you, you want to put it as invisible, right? So after you press OK and then start game, right, you can see that this barrier is invisible and you can't go in here. So if this video helped you, make sure you like and leave a comment down below if you need any more help.